EPA 5001 is a modular, scalable system for all needs. EPA 5001 automatic folding machine, EPA 5002 packaging unit, and EPA 5003 package sealing units are all modular and can be bought separately and configurable for each need. Thanks to its 1000 by 1250 mm large loading area, the clothes folding and packaging machine can easily fold large size clothes. The size of the clothes that the machine can fold is between 16 centimeters and 33 centimeters. The packaging process can be controlled live via the mounted HD screen.